Okay, you guys, so this week we worked on the baffles for the insulation. So we're starting out making sure that there's going to be airflow whenever we put insulation in. In addition to that, we added a lot more light. So you can see here in the kitchen, we have all the basic ceiling lights are in there already. In addition to that, on the other side of the house, the short side of the house, we did the same thing with the insulation, except we didn't have to go all the way through. So we did what we needed to do in the utility room, in the bedroom, in the bathroom. Now you'll notice in the bathroom, this one and ours, that there's a little green square there. Now that is insulation. It's like that foam stuff, so that when we hook up the fan in the bathroom, we just make a hole for the outlet to go out. So I did all the insulation baffles here. In addition to that, I sealed up all the air holes between the roof and the green boards that were up there. Went all the way up, came all the way down. So right now, all the air holes that we could possibly have air coming in, outside of the air coming in through the baffles, have been sealed and done. So, until the next video, see ya!